how to make $100,000 a year, six figures as a pilot. See, as pilots, we always want to chase the next medal. We want to chase the highest and biggest aircraft all the time in our career. You might start off flying a King Air, and now you want to fly a Dash 8. But after flying the Dash 8, you want to fly a Boeing 737. It's very natural for us to do as pilots. But unfortunately, every time we do so, we actually take a pay cut. At least here in Canada, that seems to be the case. A lot of regionals are starting to pay six figures for a pilot right off the start as a captain. It might take you a couple of years to get to the captaincy spot. But once you're making over $100,000 a year, you can even do a bit of overtime and make $120,000 a year. But once you do so, I recommend staying there for a couple of years if you're not in a rush to get to the airlines. Because when you get to the airlines, you're going to take a massive pay cut, and it's going to take you a couple of years just to get back to the six-figure mark. That does not include the seniority lifestyle hit that you're going to take. Versus when you were at the regionals, you probably had a good schedule, a good lifestyle as a regional captain, making over six figures. Now you can take that money, hopefully you have some savings, buy with the extra income that you had. Take that, you can buy a house, you can buy a nice car, and you can save up for the future. And then maybe in a couple of years with your extra savings, you can then decide to take the pay cut for a couple of years and then move to the airlines. So how do you get to the six-figure mark? Well, you can start off your career for the first, let's say, 2 years. You can either instruct or work up north and build up your hours and then join the regionals. And then after 2 years of the regionals as well, you can build up your hours again to then become a captain. So you're looking at 4 years of time building to then become a captain at the regionals. That's my recommendation to make six figures as a pilot.